Save big on LightingWill LED lights. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can save money on LightingWill. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, the link will be in the description below. Along with the link you'll also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply and save money online. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now what is LightingWill? LightingWill is basically a website where you can buy lighting for your home, for your car. They have different types of lighting. They have LED lightings, they have ambient lightings, they have lighting for your car, they have lighting for your cabinets, they have motion sensor lightings, they have lighting for your TV, pretty much everything. So they've got you covered. So make sure you check them out. And having said that, let's just jump into the video. So as you can see, I'm on the website, and they also have this little router. This is their main kit. This is where all the lightings are going to be connected. You can sync them up one by one. You can even use it with the app. You can see right here, you can download the app, or you can use the remote that they give you. You can see a bunch of different options. So you go ahead and purchase them. You can shop by application or shop by catalog. It totally depends on you. So you can see they have a bunch of different types of lighting right here. So they've got downlight series, smart lighting, LED strips, ambient series, IR, landscape lighting, a bunch of different ones. So make sure you check them out. So then just simply select the one you like, and then just simply select that and open them up. So this one is out right now. So let's go with downlight series and eco light. This one is also out. So let's go with smart lighting and go with the smart RGB strips. And here we got the TV backlights. All right, so this is the one that I'm taking a look at. The other ones were out, but yeah, you can see right here they've got two options. You can select whichever one you want, and then just simply click on a quick add, and it'll be added to your cart. Then you can click on go to cart and buy it from there, or you can just simply buy it from here. But yeah, just simply click on checkout over here, and make sure you check the link in the description below for the discount codes, because you're gonna need them to save money online. You can see I already applied some over here, so you can see pretty cool. But yeah, just simply go ahead and fill out this form and click on pay now, and there you go. It's as simple as that. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.